Free tip Friday for you folks. Fluid film. We love it. Why? Because it stops rust. We got a beautiful truck here from Florida. Rust free. Second year on the fluid film. Drum's just about out. And one thing, folks, love the fluid film. You guys know I'm an advocate for it. However, the thing I hate about the fluid film is the stench. Get a whiff of that. It smells like it looks. It smells like a dirty sheep. Personally, I think it smells like wet socks. It stuff's gross. And here's the free tip for you folks. Cinnamon essential oil. Kid you not. Give it a couple of glugs. Glug, glug, glug. Right down in the mix. Take your little mixer. Stir it up. Oh, it smells so good in here now. It smells like a cinnamon farm. Once you get it stirred up, and you don't need a lot. The essential oils are quite strong. Now, Mrs. O, I got to give her credit. She is the one that put me onto this tip because she thinks it'll keep rodents out of your car too because of the essential oil, the cinnamon. Apparently, the mice don't like cinnamon, or Christmas, I guess. Check it out, folks. Try it yourself. You'll love it.